Hey, this is Roland Blazay. I'm about to go through all the Kompa Sounds for MainStage 3. It's a $50 pack. It's really cheap. So don't ask me for a discount. It's really cheap for MainStage 3. MainStage 3 is a $30 software for Mac. If you have a Mac computer, get MainStage 3 for 30 bucks. I got the sounds for 50. As you heard, listen, MainStage 3 Kompa Sounds. I'm not gonna finish going through all the sounds. There's a lot of sounds. I'm going through half of them basically. I have Keytar sounds, all that. I'm not even gonna finish going through them. The Chake sounds. You guys heard enough. What I've showed you is enough to buy the pack. It's $50. I'm not even gonna go through the whole thing. I cut it in half so you guys can just get the pack, man. MainStage 3. I sampled sounds from the Roland Xv5080 sound module. I sampled sounds and you'll love it, man. As you can hear, MainStage 3, go to KompaKeyboardSchool.com. It's 50 bucks. This is Roland Blazay signing out.
Something that's good for me.
Hey guys, this is Roland Blazay. One thing I want to tell you that Kompa, you will learn Kompa, you will know how to play. And we've just released the official beginner's Kompa course. In the Kompa course, you will learn the key, how to find the key, what is the key, scales, chords, Kompa chord progressions, the number system. You will learn minor chord progressions, Kompa rhythm. This Kompa course, how to chaque, simple solo tips, you will know how to start your journey off playing Kompa. For $19.99, this Kompa course has just been released. Go to kompakeyboardschool.com. It will be the first link on the top of the page, and you will begin to know how to play Kompa in no time. Most of the key elements to Kompa keyboard playing is in this course. So guys, do not wait, do not hesitate. Get your Kompa course now and start playing Kompa right where you're at.
Something that's good for me.